I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, we need to talk about the weekly chart because we were looking for a bullish retest of the 200, and you got that. Now, this huge drop previously down to about 25,000 has been the overhead resistance where the price action just got rejected from. So there's a lot of sellers in this area. Bitcoin needs to hold the 200 simple. If you were to get a retest, this would be a gift as far as buying or loading your bags, obviously, if it held and bounced, right? So just understand that previously the 200 simple has called the bottoms of many bear markets for Bitcoin. Bitcoin daily chart, we've seen a Bitcoin pullback short term. Now, this key support level is just that key. If Bitcoin loses this level, again, you're looking to add to your hodl bags on a double bottom, so bottom, a higher low, or if Bitcoin holds this level, you're looking for 28,000, right? Plan A, plan B. Where you potentially would add to your bags, and most of you guys are already in longs right now in Bitcoin because we've got into Bitcoin a while ago. So here, and if you look right here, I posted in group when we bought into Bitcoin, we didn't nail the bottom. I never do. I look for safe entries. So we nailed down 19,600. We entered this breakout here. We shorted this move here, bull trap, shorted this bull trap here, shorted. Now, I talked to you yesterday about a 68% chance that this breaks to the downside, and it has. We've seen that pullback we talked about. Now, Bitcoin bulls have got to show up and hold this level. Otherwise, you could see, again, the measured move. TA tells us that the measured move is down here, about 23,000, which would involve a break below this level, would not be good, right? But then you're just looking at ways to accumulate more altcoins and Bitcoins, and we'll keep you guys updated on those ideas. Daily candle closes later. The ES1 is leading this entire market, and we're going to look at that in just a second and establish the fact on why we've been bullish on altcoins and Bitcoin long term based on an idea I'm going to cover in just a second. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, you guys got to make a Kucoin account. There's a VIP link in the description. If you have a small bag, he said, combined with your group, Kucoin and you changed my life. Like, you've got to trade on Kucoin. VIP link in the description. This person turned $1,400, and this is over a couple of months, to $80,000. Gem pick bangers. This person turned $8,500 into $20,000. This person started with $50,000 when they joined the group. Now at $4.5 million. This person joined Friday up $700. This person, super proud of her, friend of mine, just started trading. She made 23% on Shiba Inu trade. Said, my first crypto experience. So definitely shout out to this young lady. If you are not in the right coins, it is virtually impossible to make money in this market. If you're just guessing, right? We find the bangers. 21%, 30%, 177% out of PBR. We do this every day. I've had so many people join the group over the past 2 days because of the $100 off discount and 60% off that I'm going to continue that for another 24 hours. So if you're struggling in this market and you need a team behind you to teach you how to trade, to give you the trades to be in, join our group, period. Given 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Ethereum USDT. So we talked about this exact idea where Ethereum was coming up here to this resistance, also the upper trend line, and you could see this pullback to potentially the lower trend line. Do you want to get caught in like shorting coins? Ethereum large cap, do you pull a 3x short on something like this? Well, I mean, technically this is a rising wedge. There's a ton of news coming for ETH over the next month. The biggest news, so Bitcoin has a halving. This is on scale with Bitcoin's halving because Ethereum moving to proof of stake will change the game forever. Eventually, they'll move to sharding, faster ways for Ethereum to be, for transactions to happen on Ethereum blockchain. But the move to proof of stake, people are going to hold Ethereum and just ride it. And so this helps. You get a bunch of holders, and this helps the price. Now, if this thing breaks to the downside, let's just pull a measured move here. If Bitcoin were to pull back and Ethereum pulls back and you get a move down here to around 1,550, that's your measured move. Great place to look to buy and add to your Ethereum bag. Now, we started trading Ethereum down here actually at this breakout. I mean, we're up 50%. We're up 50% because we started buying Ethereum here. Banging. ES1. This single idea has helped me nail all the major Bitcoin swings. Resistance, 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 resistance. ES1 stock, S&P 500 E-mini futures they're at a tough level, and the 200 SMA is right there too. So you don't want to end up in a situation right here. So you have a falling wedge, 68% chance it breaks out to the upside. Well, it did here, and then it turned into a fake out and back down. Right, it's a red in the stock market after this move higher. Now, if you get a pullback here, again, you have a measured move. You have a measured move where your target's up here, and it hasn't hit the target yet. But these measured moves aren't perfect. You have so many sellers stacked above here. You could easily say, "Hey, this is close enough to the measured move," and you start looking for shorts in the market. Bitcoin, I believe, is going to follow the stock market. Okay, so if the ES1 gets rejected by this overhead resistance, and this is exactly why we were looking for downside yesterday's video, and the Bitcoin loses this support level, you're looking at lower prices to pick up Bitcoin. If this holds, you're looking at $28,000 Bitcoin. If then, we use Bitcoin to know how to trade altcoins. Are we buying altcoins? Are we shorting altcoins? Right? And then ES1 says here, if this happens, then do this. So if ES1 gets rejected, you're looking for short opportunities. A lot of resistance up here. A lot of sellers are stacked up here. Okay? So just be cautious in your long trades. We've been in the longs, and the reason why we've been bullish on these longs is because of this. You've got a falling wedge, which broke out, and then I posted a ton of Ethereum, obviously, a ton of large cap altcoins, a ton of longs were posted because the downtrend had been broken. Now, this is a high, and it's a higher high. It's higher than the previous high, right? So to see a low back here would be totally healthy. Total thing pops through here, might see a pretty good move to the upside. So again, you just if-then statements. If this happens, then do this. Any type of rejection, you're looking to add to your bags. Now, BNB, I posted this on July the 18th. Do you have the ability to be patient enough for a large cap to gain 35%? We nailed it on BNB. I said, look, we're looking for the retest. Retest is best entry. Nailed it perfectly. I posted this exact setup. Now, look at BNB. I mean, I posted this exact idea. You're looking for if you don't know what a retest is, you're not going to win in this market. You are trying to take money from people who are more experienced than you, and you need to have an understanding on how these charts work and what I'm talking about. Most important thing you need is a team of people to have an idea and understand what charts to watch. You need to, with news, I have a news group where these setups are posted by some of the, I've got traders up 400x, 300x. I recruited them from outside the group and asked them to post setups in my group. That's why we're killing it. That's why we're so good. What Bitcoin's doing, Bitcoin needs a bounce off this support. If this happens, $28,000 Bitcoin, right? $28,000 Bitcoin, but it's all make or break right here. This over the next 48 hours, decision time for Bitcoin. Are we looking to add to our Bitcoin holdings on a break to the downside, or will you see this upside continuation? Trade what the charts tell you to do. Don't think, feel, have a hunch. None of that. Just trade what the charts say. And again, I'm just using Bitcoin as a gauge on when to open altcoin trades, when to close, when to open altcoin shorts, and I'll show you guys. And continue watching these videos. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.